Alright guys, I have some bad news. I had to shave my mustache. No, but for real, my computer crashed while I was editing this video and I lost all of day one and most of my time-lapse video. But really the only thing you're going to miss is us taking out the interior and installing the sound deadener in the cargo area. We were able to salvage the rest of the video, so let's hop right in. Day 2. I want to show you guys this floor. I'm actually really happy with the floor pans. I mean, it's like very nice, other than, yeah, we hit it with some OSFO, converted that rust, so shouldn't have any more issues, but I will have to replace that pan eventually. What's up, man?
What's up?
You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
I was going to say, is that a very good brewing shirt?
I need to make some of those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Noiko products. They did not sponsor this video. I bought these products with my own money. This came off of a recommendation of a buddy of mine at penny_C10. Basically, like, you got your 80 mil sound deadener. This is a butyl-based sound deadener. It's exactly what you would think whenever you think of sound deadener. And then they have this closed cell foam, which is it doesn't absorb water, and it's supposed to help with insulating and further absorbing sounds. And the carpet actually has a 40 mil mass backing, so you got the 80, the 150, and then another 40. Plus I ordered the ultra plush carpet, so that should really help with insulation, road noise, just overall sound, and just quieting this Bazer down a little bit. So let's get after it. All right, here's where we're at. We got these pieces cut and fit. It's a little time consuming. Dad's been hitting it hard, trying to do it while I've been working on the patch. So we had to do a little patch panel on the floor pan. So that's all in. It's all primed. Hit some other rust areas with some primer. We're gonna take a break, go grab some food, go grab some parts from Ace Hardware, and then hopefully get the sound deadener and that closed cell foam installed by the end of the day. All right, here's where we're at. Looks like a freaking spaceship. So one thing I wanted to tell you guys was, before we put this down, other than that one small rust spot that we fixed this morning, the rest of the tub looked super solid. So I'm really happy with it. The sound deadener install is taking quite a bit longer than I anticipated, but Dad, I definitely appreciate you coming over and helping me out, man.
Oh, absolutely.
So he's got to get back to the house. I'm gonna keep going. So let's keep after it. Dude, this is taking so much longer than I thought it would. I thought for sure we'd have the sound deadener and insulation installed today, but I just wrapped up the front, sound deadener for the front, and I still haven't even done the sound deadener for the doors. So here's what it looks like right now. I think it came out great. We still got to tape off the seams for the front. But for now, dude, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to go inside and hang out with the kids for a little bit before they go to bed. I'll see you guys in a minute. Well, we only have a couple hours to work on the Bazer tonight, so I want to wrap up taping the sound deadener, and then I want to install all of the closed cell foam. I'm thinking it's going to be a lot faster than installing a sound deadener, so let's see what we can do. Hell yeah, we're finally getting this thing to a good spot. I pulled a couple of late nights and got up super early this morning to start putting in the carpet and the trim pieces and stuff. But here's where we're at right now. So we got the carpet in, we got some trim pieces in. We can't use the carpet over the wheel wells. I actually ripped that when we were pulling it out because the carpet was so old. In the front, we just got the carpet installed. So it's getting to be a bit of a tight one. We are leaving for California tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow we'll leave for California. Then we come back on Sunday night. And then I only have 4 days to finish this up because we got to go to, because we're going to Battle in Bama Friday morning and we're leaving at like 5 a.m. So I can't even work on it Friday. But dude, even if I just have a couple of bucket seats in here, who cares? Like, it's one trip. I'm just me and my dad, so we're gonna ride out and have a good time no matter what. But we're gonna make it for sure. It's just a question of how much of the truck's gonna be assembled when we get there. Still have the sound deadener to do on the doors, and I think I've got it to the point where I could literally just throw the seats in and go if we needed to. But I'm really gonna try to have all the sound deadener installed, so the next time you guys see this truck on a tech video, we'll be installing the carpet and not be f***ing with sound deadener anymore. My advice to anybody doing this job is to, 1, set aside a lot more time than what you think it's going to take to do, and 2, grab yourself some rollers. Grab a metal roller like this for the sound deadener and a nylon roller for the foam. This one's a little too aggressive for the foam, so the nylon one will be perfect. All right, guys, I got to go do my actual job, but I'll see you in just a second. All of this is going in there. Back from California, feeling good. I got to get this off my plate. We roll out in a couple of days to Battle in Bama. We had a blast in California. That was super fun. Got to spend a little bit of time in San Francisco. And Street Trucks Show Off Series Stage 1 was a huge success. Can't wait for Stage 2 in Texas on July 17th. But right now, I got to get all this shit back in the Blazer. Work has been insanely busy. And on top of that, I got 2 kids. I'm married. And I'm trying to do all of this basically at night. I am going to skip out on doing the doors right now. I just don't have the time to do that sound deadener and all that in there. So we're going to knock that out when we actually get the carpet, which is still on back order. But now I'm going to stop yapping and get to work. Weird, man. Alright, so I did not expect that. A lot of the bass has been taken out of the exhaust note. Let's see what she sounds like. Here we go. Dude, all that bass is taken out. All that bass is taken out. Wow, it's so weird. Alright, so I guess I didn't realize like how loud it was, because you just drive something, you get used to it. It's like whatever, it's the Blazer, it's just old, it's loud. So I can actually hear sound coming from the doors, which I put new door seals in, so that's all sealed up. So I know that's just road noise coming in from the doors because there's no sound deadener on that right now. This is much more enjoyable. Couldn't even hear it, man. See you guys on the next one.